This 2022 Keystone Passport 219BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 8, awning, air conditioning, oven, external shower, stove-top burner, TV, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, LP detector, microwave, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Passport 219BH is 4,672 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.